So this is gonna be the last part of the song. So you guys are going to put your left arm, you guys are gonna put it at your waist, so on the side like this. You guys are going to cross over with your right arm. You're gonna go like that, one. And you guys are gonna step with your left leg, left foot. So one. After that, you're gonna step with your right foot, and then you guys are gonna go around like that. So two. After that, you guys are gonna go 3, 4. So when you're here, you're gonna step with your left leg. You're gonna go 1, and then after that, you guys are gonna go 2. So you guys are gonna tap with your right foot, and you guys are gonna put your hand out. So then after that, you guys are gonna put your right arm on the side of your waist, so it's gonna switch instead, and you guys are gonna step with your right foot, and you guys are gonna cross over with your left arm. So one like that. So it's gonna be a switch from what we did. So you guys are gonna go 1. Now you guys are gonna step with your left leg. You guys are gonna go around. So 2, and make sure when you guys do it, your hand is all the way out. And then after that, you guys are gonna step with your right leg. You guys are gonna go 1. So when you guys are gonna clip in, and then you guys are gonna go 2. So this part you're not going to tap with your foot at all. It's just gonna be a step. So then after this move, you guys are gonna go 1, 2. So you guys are gonna step with your right leg first. So 1, 2, and when you guys do it, you're gonna clip in your left hand, and you're gonna have your right hand out. So you're gonna go 1, and then 2. Yeah, so go 1, 2, and then after that, you guys are gonna go 3, 4. So when you guys do this move, the hand that's always going, you guys are just gonna switch like that. So you're just gonna go 1, 2. So you're always gonna start with your left hand. It's gonna be clipped. Your right hand's gonna be out, and you guys are gonna switch when you guys switch your feet. So you guys are gonna start with your right leg first. So 1, 2. After that, you guys are going to step forward with your right leg. You guys are gonna go 1, and you guys are going to go back like this. 1, and then you guys will go 2. So 1, 2. So let's do that with the hand first. You guys are gonna go 1, 2. So let's do that from here. 1, 2. So when you guys do it, you guys are gonna rock just a bit. So you guys are bend your knees, and you guys are gonna rock, and make sure to point your feet up so it'll be easy for you guys to rock. So 1, 2. After that, you guys are gonna put your feet in, and you guys are gonna step with your left leg, and you're gonna go 1, 2. So you're gonna clip in 1, then you clip out 2, and when you do that, you're gonna step with you're gonna go left, right, left, right. So you're gonna start with your left leg, clip in, left, clip out, right. You guys are gonna switch, clip in, left, clip out, right. After that, you guys are going to go down, and you guys are going to put your your right arm across like this, and you guys are gonna turn around, and then you guys are gonna go. When you guys turn around, you guys are gonna bring your your left arm over. Yeah, your left arm over, and you guys are gonna make an X like that. So I'll show you guys. So you guys gonna turn. So you guys gonna go. Let's start from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now all we're going to do is we're going to do the part that I just taught you with the music again. So if you guys need help, you guys can just rewind the video back. So this is going to be around 2:40 to the end of the song. So let's get to it.